Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an Amazon idea list. So let's get started. Log into amazon.com and log into your account and click on your account up here. Now you have option your lists. Click on it and as you can see you have your lists. But right now, because I have already a list, it looks like this to me, but you should have an orange button to create a list. Right now I'm going to press here. Now it asks for you to name it. So let's quickly name it. For example, PC or something. Create a list, and now you have this. Now just simply add products to your list, and you should be good to go, I guess. Now let's find a product we want to add. For example, something like this. Click on it and scroll down till you see add to list. Select the list you want to add it to. And now you can either continue shopping, searching for new items to add to your list, or well, just view your list. And as you can see, now on your list it's the item that you added. Well, I'm going to leave you at this. Continue to add items to your list, and I guess enjoy yourself. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like. If you want more videos just like this, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.